Me and Brochan stayed at Kimpton, Blythswood Square in Glasgow. His first time in the city, and as much as I love travelling with him, I was nervous about how dog-friendly a city centre hotel could really be. But honestly, it was the loveliest surprise. We had the warmest welcome. Brochan had his own pick and mix, which he absolutely demolished in one go. And in the room there were a couple of bottles of Glaswegian, some classic tonics and Lucozade, which, if you know me, is my kryptonite at the moment. But I'm not sure if it's part of the tonic or part of the cure with the Glaswegian, but either way, I felt very seen. The room itself was beautiful. It had a window with a proper street view for Brochan's people watching needs. The welcome note was written in Gaelic, which just meant so much. It was such a lovely touch. I did get a chance to visit the spa, but I'll talk more about that in another video because I will ramble. But yes, it did live up to the hype. Or did it? I guess you'll have to watch and see. I had dinner in the hotel restaurant, Iasg, so Scottish Gaelic word of the day, Iasg, which means fish. And nothing if not educational in this channel. Naturally, I did have fish and chips, but I'll tell you more about the meal in another video. And maybe the best bit, as a guest, you can get keys to the private park across the road. We took every opportunity for a little walk or runabout, and that made the trip for Brochan, because when you travel with a dog, you're always wondering if they'll be bored. But this felt like his holiday as much as it was mine, so 10 out of 10. I would absolutely go back.